Hello friends, welcome to SR Physics Academy. Today we are going to discuss about determinant of matrix. How to find determinant of matrix? Let A be the matrix. This is the 2 by 2 matrix, 2 rows and 2 columns. Then the determinant of the matrix A is denoted by determinant A or like this. Here the symbol is used to represent the determinants are of two vertical lines on both the sides. To find any matrix such as determinant of 2 by 2 matrix, determinant of 3 by 3 matrix or n by n matrix, the matrix should be a square matrix. It means that the matrix should have an equal number of rows and equal number of columns. Determinants are mathematical objects that are very useful in the analysis and the solution of system of linear equations and area of triangle. Determinants also have wide applications in engineering, science, economics and social science as well. Let us now study about the determinant of 1 by 1 matrix. The determinant of 1 by 1 matrix means one row and only one column. So here, how to find the determinant of 1 by 1 matrix? It is the 1 by 1 matrix is the absolute value of the element present in the matrix element. So here, how many elements are here? Only one. So what is the elements numbers here? Number 4. So that means the determinant of A of this matrix is, what is the matrix itself? Which number is there? Number 4. So the determinant A is number 4. Now the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. As we know that the 2 by 2 matrix means 2 rows and 2 columns. So now how to find the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix? Here to calculate the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix, multiply the element of 2 by 2 matrix on the main diagonal. So here what are the main diagonals here? This is the main diagonals. Okay, this is the main diagonal, these two the main diagonals. Now the 2 by 2, okay, this is a 2 by 2 matrix on the main diagonal and subtract. After that the product of the elements on the secondary diagonal. That means here what are the two elements are here? So A and D. The product of these two elements minus the product of these two elements. Okay, clear? So AD minus BC. For example, here the determinant of how to find. So we have to calculate determinant of this matrix. Okay, so how many, this is, we know that 2 by 2 matrix. So how many elements are there? Here 4 elements are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what we have to calculate? The product of these two elements means these diagonals and these two elements, that means this diagonal. That means we have to remember that X shape. So here the product of these two elements means how to write it? 1 into 4. That means nothing but AD. So here instead of A, which one is there? 1, and D means here 4. So 1 into 4 minus of, what are these two diagonals? So this is the two elements. So what are these two elements? 3 and 2. So we will get determinant A equal to 1 into 4 minus 2 into 3, these two elements. So after that we will get 1 into 4 minus 3 2s are 6. We got it minus 2. So determinant of this matrix, we will get the answer is minus 2. How we got it minus? Because the highest number sign is here. So that's why we got it minus 2. Now, once more we'll discuss another example. Find determinant of A. Here A equal to 4, 2, 1, 3. So this is the A matrix. We have to calculate the determinant. Now, so what are the diagonals here? 4 into 3 here, 1 into 2. So X shape. So we will get 4 into 3 minus of 1 into 2. So we have to remember that whenever we calculate the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix, multiply the element of 2 by 2 matrix on the main diagonal. Okay. So here in this case, what are the main diagonals? 4 and 3. Here the main diagonals are 1 and 2. And what we have to, after that, we have to subtract. Okay, subtract. So what will the 4 into 3 minus 1 into 2, or 2 into 1, we will get 12 minus 2, we got it 10, because plus sign, because the highest number sign is here plus. Next is this is a fraction number. We will discuss another example. Find the determinant if 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 2. So this also we know that when we calculate the determinant, so we have to take it these two product of these two diagonals. Okay. So 1 into 2 and 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. So we will get minus, after that 1 by 4. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, we will get 1 by 4 minus of 1 into, so here denominators are 4 into 4. So we will get 1 by 16. After LCM we will get 3 by 16. So now you know that how to find the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. Next, discuss about determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. So here, to determine the 3 by 3 matrix is calculated for having what we know that this is 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay, that's we know that 3 rows and 3 columns. It should be a square matrix. For example, to find the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix, first what you will do that you first take the first elements. Okay, the first element of the first row. Here what is the first element of the first row is A. Got it? Now next is we know that this is the, so we are taking here first rows. Okay, so in this first rows we will get the determinant of, so first row and first element we got it A. So A equals how many times here? Now what are the balance here? That is, this is our balance element. Okay. So we will get E into I. Next is F into H. Okay. So same we have to repeat here. Next is B element. So B also. Okay, here first is B. So first we have to think that this is plus, next sign will come minus, again plus, this alternative number sign will come. So in this case plus A means we will get the A. Now, so we have here the determinant of A times. Okay, this is the determinant of A times. Then what we have to do here? That is, what is the remaining part? Okay, the remaining part is here. We will get, that is 2 by 2 matrix type. So E, F, H, I, we got it. Now minus B of, so in this case minus, suppose we are taking here minus B, then in this after excluding them. Okay, after excluding means here B means we have to cut like this. Okay, then close it. So what are the remaining here? D, F, G, I. Okay, next is here plus, plus sign will come. Next number set we have to take it here. The first row we are taking. Okay, so that means C. So in this case C, what, okay, 1 minute. First we will erase rest of them, so it will be more clear for yours. Okay, and next is, so here now we are taking the C numbers. Okay, so here C, in this now we are taking C, then we have to excluding this row. So what are the remaining here? D, E, G, H. Okay, now, okay, let us discuss. After that, how to find determinant A equal to A of, now we know that, okay, here the product of these two and the product of these two, okay. So the A times the product of what will come? EI minus of this, okay, F and H, minus B of product of these two. So we will get Di minus Fg. Next plus C of, then the product of these two and these two. So DH, here we will get minus sign. So minus of E into G. So now it's clear. Now discuss with the elements, numbers. So this also we know that this is the 3 by 3 matrix. Okay. Here how many rows are here? Here we have 3 rows we have, and even we know that 3 columns. So this also 3 by 3 matrix means this is also square matrix. Now when we are calculating to find determinant of 3 by 3 matrix, first we have to take it, what is that? First element of the first row. In this case, what is the first element of the first row? The element number, that is number is 1, we got it. Okay. Now, so if by a secondary, for example, so first row and first column, so now this is, okay, we just assume that this is we are cutting. What are the remaining? So this is become what it is, it is become a 2 by 2 matrix, okay, which comes from the elements remaining in the 3 by 3 matrix. So what are the remaining it is coming? So this is remaining, so we got it. Now minus 1, 3, minus, sorry, 1, 2. Okay. So now we will get, we got it, minus 1. So when we directly we can do minus 1 into 2, we will get minus 2 minus of 3 into 1 minus 3. So now this is clear. Next is, we will take it, the first row only, the second element. So here, okay, rest of them we will erase here. So now we have to do it second. So in this case, so here first row, second elements, what is the number here? We got it 2. So now we will take it here as the element considered as a 2. So just like before I told you, on first is plus, then alternative minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, like that it will come. So here the sign is also minus 2. Okay, minus 2. Now, so now just we can use pencil or whatever, that is minus this row and this first row, the second element 2 is cutting both sides. Then what are the remaining here? The 2 by 2 matrix, 2 into 2. So we've got it 4 minus of 3 into 3. Okay, like that. Okay, X shape. So 2 into 2, 4 minus 3 into 3, 9. Next is again minus. So here the symbol will come plus, but what we have here, the sign here minus 1. Okay. So we have here minus 1. So that is we have written here minus 1. So it is easy. So we can cut it from here only. So this, whatever the respective rows, we cut it here. Now what is balance here? 2 into 1, 2 minus, okay, already minus is here. So minus of minus plus 1 into 3, 3. So we got it 2 plus 3. We got it minus 5 plus 10 minus 2 of minus 4 minus 5, 4 minus 9 minus 5. So minus into minus plus 10, then minus 5. So at last we will get determinant A equal to 0. Okay. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching.